Are you a teacher who would love to take interactive and interesting classes for your students? Then this is the right video for you. Hi everyone! Today we are going to introduce a web application, Mentimeter. Mentimeter is an online teaching tool that helps users to create interactive presentations and meetings wherever you are. Now remote learning is increasing steadily and tools like these makes learning much more interesting and interactive. So let's see in detail about this learning tool. To open Mentimeter, you have to type in www.mentimeter.com on the web browser. And this is the interface you will see once you open the website. In order to create presentations, the user needs to complete the registration process by clicking on Sign Up. If you already have an account, you can click on Login and log in with your email ID and password. Now let's create a new account by clicking on Sign Up. Here you can sign up with Facebook or with Google or using email ID. Now I am signing up with Google. After signing up, they will ask a few questions to improve the value you get from this tool. Where will you use Mentimeter? I am choosing Education. What describes your role best? I am choosing Educator. What are the main goals for using Mentimeter? I am choosing Engagement. And then they are asking us to choose a plan. So basically there are 4 types of plans: Free, Basic, Pro and Enterprise. The features and pricing vary in each plan. And it is worth to note that we can have unlimited audience, unlimited presentations, up to 2 question slides and up to 5 quiz slides in the free account. So let us try out the free account for now. For that I am clicking on Continue with Free. This is the interface that appears. For creating a new presentation, click on plus New Presentation button over here and let's try creating our first presentation on Mentimeter. On the right hand side of the screen, you can see many options to design your presentation and make it interactive. The first tab you see over here is Type, where you can set popular question types like multiple choice, word cloud, open-ended, scales, ranking, question and answer, etc. Now in quiz competition, you have select answer and type answer. Then in the content slides, we have heading, paragraph, bullets, image, video, big, quote and number. If you simply mouse over these options, you can see the preview in the presentation slide. And below that we have advanced questions with template slides like 100 points, 2x2 grid, quick form, who will win and pin on image. So these are all different type of questions and templates to interact with your students. As an example, I'm going to choose the multiple choice type and will be automatically in the content tab. There you can enter your question. So I'm just entering, what is the capital of India? You can edit this question by selecting it. You can bold it or change the font to italics, strike through or even add a link. So let me show you how to add a link. Paste the link in brackets. And now you can see the difference in the canvas itself. You can see that the title is now a hypertext. So the students can now click on this title and refer to the article. Now the next one is options. You can give different options over here. So I am adding Mumbai, New Delhi and Chennai as options. Now you can also add images to these options to make it more attractive. Click on the image icon over here and upload an image or choose an image from the image library or GIFs available over here. Now I have added images for all the options. And if you want to add another option, you can click over here and add another option. Or to remove an option, you can click on the cross mark over here. Next is image, where you can add an image to the question slide. So I am selecting an image, cropping it and clicking on save. Now you can see the image on the slide. You can also select the result layout, whether it should be a bar chart or pie chart, etc. And below you have some extra options like show correct answer. If you click this toggle button, you'll be able to select the right answer. So here I'm selecting the right answer as New Delhi. And you also have some options like show results in percentage, let participants choose multiple choice. And below that you have an option to present the slide according to what the student have answered in the previous question. The next tab over here is Customize. Here you can customize your slides according to your wish. We have options to show image, close voting, hide instructions bar, hide results, etc. There are so many layouts. I'm just choosing this one. And then you have option to edit or remove the image. And we have advanced layout options and advanced colors option. And the advanced colors option is a pro element. You have to upgrade your Mentimeter account in order to access this feature. So we have seen how to edit the slides and make it more attractive. Now let's see how to share the slide with your students. Click on the share button and you'll get a voting code that you can share with your students. Students can go to www.menti.com and enter this voting code to vote for this presentation. Now you can also copy this link and share it directly with your students. You can also present the slide in a meeting. I have started a Google Meet in a new tab. Now let's come back and click on Present. Let me change the full screen mode. And now we are ready to present our screen. Let's go back to Google Meet. Click on the Present icon and click on a tab. Now select the tab and click on Share. So right now we are sharing this tab to Google Meet. And this is how your students will see on their screens. You can ask them to go to www.menti.com and type this code, or you can copy this link from here and put in the chat box. Now, if students click on this particular link, a new tab will open and they can give their votes. And also, everyone will be able to see the live results. Now let's stop this presentation and look in detail about all the options while presenting. They can also click on the title to refer to the article we have linked to this title. There are some more options like exit, full screen, hide results, close voting, countdown timer, etc. So if you click on start countdown, it will automatically start a countdown timer. So this means the voting will be closed in 1 minute. This feature will be very useful when you wish to give time-bounded assignments to your students. If you click on more, you can see so many options like My Presentations, Open Menti Note, Show Voting Instructions, Copy Voting Link, Show Test Votes, Show Blank Screen, Keyboard Shortcuts, Turn on Comments, Toggle Visualization Units, Change Layout, Segmentation, History, etc. So let us just wait for some students to answer to this question. So one person has selected Mumbai and another student has selected New Delhi. Now let me open this link, the Mentimeter link, in a new tab so that we can see how students will see this particular question. So they will see the image first, then the question and then the options. So I'm selecting an option and then clicking on Submit. Now if the student wants to see the voting results, they can get it through mail by entering the email ID over here. The number 3 over here shows the number of participants who have voted for this particular question. Now let us go back. So here we have an option to download the results. So if you click over there, you can see that in order to download it as an Excel sheet, you will have to upgrade your Mentimeter account. But you can download as a PDF or as screenshots in the free account itself. Coming back to the slide, you can add presenter notes by clicking over here to make it easy for you to present and remember all the points during presentation. Now you can add a new slide by clicking on the plus add slide button over here. So I'm selecting the word cloud type and the content will be according to which type of question slide we added. Let me try adding one more slide. Now you will see that they are asking you to upgrade your account. This is because in the free account you can create only up to 2 question slides and 5 quiz slides. There are some more options like examples where you can get example slides. Some slides are not accessible, you need to upgrade your account to access it, and some are free to use. Now you have themes where you can see different type of themes that you can set to the slide. And finally you have settings where you can change the additional settings of navigation, interactions, questions, etc. So I guess you have got a clear idea about how to use Mentimeter to interact with your students and make learning interesting and easy for them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel if you wish to see educative content like this. Thank you for watching.